is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I have a farmhouse fall decor. I am really excited to share this project with you because most of the fall items that I use are recycled from the last year and they turn out so amazing. So yeah, you can use last year's decoration, transform it, and you don't need to spend extra money. And I'm going to show you how I did it. If you like this video, you can give me a big thumbs up because that really helps to support my channel. And if you are new here and you like DIYs, home decor, trash to treasure, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you want to see how I made my farmhouse fall decor using Dollar Tree items, just keep watching. Hola mis amores, bienvenidos a mi canal nuevamente. Estoy muy contenta de que estén aquí y estoy muy contenta por el video de hoy porque voy a estar mostrándoles cómo pueden hacer una decoración de otoño al estilo farmhouse. Pero lo que lo hace realmente emocionante es que voy a estar utilizando estos materiales de Dollar Tree, pero son realmente del año pasado que ya los tenía y los voy a estar reciclando. Así que sí, puedes utilizar decoración del año pasado, transformarla y no tienes que gastar dinero extra, y yo te voy a estar mostrando cómo yo lo voy a estar haciendo. Espero de corazón que te guste muchísimo este video y si es así me puedes dar un bonito like porque le ayuda demasiado a que mi canal siga creciendo, y también a que si eres nuevo por aquí y te gustan los DIYs, las decoraciones de hogar, los trash to treasure, asegúrate de suscribirte a mi canal y activar esa campanita de notificaciones para que tu teléfono te notifique cada vez que yo suba un nuevo video. Y mis amores, si quieres ver cómo hice esta decoración de otoño al estilo farmhouse utilizando materiales de Dollar Tree, solo quédate viendo.
To begin our project, you will be using this plastic fall leaf from the Dollar Tree. Is what I think it is, I'm not sure. I bought it last year, so I am reusing it and I want to change the color. But first, I have to apply glass cleaner so that the paint is going to look much better. First, I'm going to give one coat of paint on the front and the back side. I want to let you know that I finally have a PO box so you can send me letters or anything you want because I really love knowing about you. So here on the screen I leave my address and also in the description box of the videos. Once it's completely dry, I will go back and give it a second coat of paint. Now with a pencil, I am going to start drawing what are called like the nerves of the leaf. These are like the small lines that the leaves have. I will draw them and then with my Waverly Wax in antique color and a thin brush, I will be painting them. From there, I will use this brush and apply just a little amount of paint to create like a distressed look to the leaf and highlight the edges using the same paint color. Once your leaf is painted, I will be using this candle holder from the Dollar Tree. It's a glass candle holder and I just give one coat of ultra matte black spray paint and this is how it will look. Okay, I'm going to be sticking it next to the leaf and I'm going to use my hot glue gun and my E6000 glue. I'm also going to put this popsicle stick inside of the candle holder and apply more hot glue and more E6000 glue and stick it also to the leaf. This way I make sure that our project is strong enough. And guys, this is how our first project will be. A little paint and we create this beautiful and unique decoration for our home. For our next project, I will be using this wooden box that I just purchased at Walmart on clearance, and it also has foam inside. You are able to recreate this project. You can use so many things, maybe a shoebox or a Dollar Tree plastic box. I'm going to use this burlap fabric that I already had in my house and I purchased at Walmart as well a long time ago. I'm going to start lining this box and I'm going to use my hot glue gun to be able to glue each end of the burlap fabric. It's super simple to do, but be careful because if you are using hot glue, which is the best option because it dries faster, you can burn through all the holes that this fabric has, so be careful. Then I just use two other small pieces of the burlap fabric, fold the edges and glue them, so that way when you stick them on the two ends of the box that are missing, they are going to look so much better. When you use hot glue, try to put it in areas where you can see it, so that way your project is going to look nice and clean. Now I'm going to use this wooden sign from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to be removing the metal piece that says thankful and grateful. I'm going to use my hot glue gun and very carefully, because it gets very hot, I will be sticking it in the center of one of the side of our box. Then I will be using my buffalo check ribbon and I will be sticking it around the edges of the top of our box. That way we're gonna have different colors and textures, and I just love the nice touch it gives. Once you're done, this is how the box will look. I love it! Now for the inside, I will be using these fall leaves that I also have from last year, but I will be changing the color because this year I don't want to use so much orange in my fall decor. I want like more neutral colors. So I will start separating all the leaves in groups of 2 and I will be painting them using my Waverly chalk paint in plaster color, in mineral color, in hazelnut color, and my elephant color. In a set of leaves, I will be applying 2 colors. One leaf in elephant color and the other in plaster color, and make sure to paint both sides so that way the leaves looks better. And the other leaves I will be applying hazelnut color and mineral color. You must paint the amounts of leaves that are necessary to fill the box that you are using. Once you have finished painting all the leaves, it's time to start placing them inside the box. But first, I will put some Spanish moss to cover the green color that my foam has. And I'm going to put this beautiful pumpkin that I actually get this year from the Dollar Tree. At first, I just started to put the leaves on the top, trying to distribute the colors. But then I started to place the metal sticks that the leaves originally have to give it more height in a corner and make it look better. And I also decided to place some leaves that I already had on this burlap material to give it a little more texture. My love, this is how our projects will look, and I love it because they are super neutral colors and very farmhouse style to decorate my home in this fall season. And I hope you like this project as much as I do, and give me a big thumbs up, and remember that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel. Please comment which project was your favorite and share this video with all your friends, and see you this Thursday with my new DIY. Mwah! Love you so much, guys. Bye.